Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com, how to build a maintenance-free birdhouse. For this project we're going to use leftover materials from a recent deck project, but you can buy the same materials at any local lumber yard. We're going to use the fence post or railing post from the hand railing, but you could use a fence post, PVC, etc. We're going to cut Trex to fit the base of that bannister post, and this is going to create floor of the birdhouse. That Trex fits nicely into the base of the hand railing post. I'm going to tack it into position with a hot glue gun, but the real glue to this project is just going to be silicone. On the flip side of this, I'm going to put a bead of silicone around the entire inside edge, and that's going to hold it together. The beauty of working with Trex as well as vinyl and PVC is that these materials require very, very little or no maintenance, and they basically will last forever. Once the base is done, I'm going to move over to the actual upright, and I'm going to measure it and then cut it out with a skill saw. I'm just going to use a circular saw to make these cuts, but you could use a hand saw or even a chop saw, whatever you have that will make the desired cuts. The length of the birdhouse is strictly optional. You can have a tall birdhouse or a short one. That's individual preference. Once the shape is cut out, you want to drill the main entry hole to the house. I'm using an 1¼ inch speed bore. And then below that, I'm using a smaller drill bit to drill a smaller hole that will hold a wooden dowel that will be the bird's perch. This also is held in position with silicone and tacked into position with a hot glue gun. We're then going to move back to the base. I'm going to add some additional silicone, and then I'm going to press the body of the birdhouse into that silicone. And of course, the beauty of this design is that we really didn't have to do much construction on the body of the birdhouse. The roof is actually made from plastic left over from the same deck project. I've just cut 2 pieces and glued them together with silicone. And these 2 pieces, or this assembly, is going to be glued into position on the birdhouse with additional silicone as well as some glue from the hot glue gun. Once that's in position, just press down so that glue is squished into position, and you could even add a piece of tape along the top until it dries. The only additional piece is one more piece of Trex that I'm going to cut and glue to the back of the birdhouse, and this creates a flat surface for us to mount it to a tree or to a post. Otherwise, the roof overhang would get in the way. And that's basically it. A very simple to build, maintenance-free birdhouse. Please check us out on the web at www.DIYEasyCrafts.com. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos and subscribe to this YouTube channel.